Hello everybody. Now we will start next content cell level operation. How we can select cell, how we can select the range of cell, how delete the content of cell. When we select the delete option, these all options are available in delete. Delete all, you want to delete all content, you want to only text, you want to delete only numbers. So these all contents are available. Sub menus are available at the time of delete the content. Editing the cell content, copying and moving cells. All these content now we are going to see practically. We already create one demo, one file. We are working with the same file. Suppose this is my file. Before working, I just remove the freeze option. You remember what is why we are using freeze option? We are using freeze option to freeze the specific row or specific column. When we are moving with, we are working with window, we are not required to scroll it again and again or scroll the see the heading again and again with the help of scroll box. When we freeze it, it will fix. We just move after the content of that particular row or column. Now we are selecting how we can select the range. This is a cell. What is cell? Cell is the intersection of row and column. This is column, this is row. This is a cell. What is the name of this cell? G column and third row. See, this is the cell name. So, how we can select a cell? Suppose now I want to select the serial number to fourth record and the total. Now this, what is the range? A2 to E6. See, this is an A2 column and E6. So I want to create a list of these. So I am creating here list. The name I will give this range to list. Are you getting this? This is my selecting cell range. When we give the name to specific cell range. Now I am working with shift 3. If I will select list name from name box, we are going to on same list directly. So this is how we can select the cell. Selecting cell. I started about text, number, formula, references and other cells can be entered in cell. But before we enter anything into cell, we need to select the cell. Otherwise the content may not return. So I want to write here. Before write, I must be select that particular cell. Hello. 20. Now when I select this, now I want to delete it. You want to delete all or you want to only delete numbers? Suppose I select only numbers. I'm getting this. Delete. Which content you want to delete? I want to delete only numbers. Are you getting this? This is possible here. Before it was not possible. And when we cannot select anything, all contents will be deleted. So this is simple option. They are going to explain you here. Selecting cell range, delete content, delete all, delete the entire. You must be prepared this table properly. This is very important. Delete all, delete the entire content, text, number, date and time, formula, notes, format, which how can we copy, edit, go to edit and copy. We already do this content, this demo. How we can select and go to edit menu, select copy, again go to edit menu, select paste. We are also do it with the help of right click and paste command. See, right click paste. Options are here. So paste only text, paste only number, same way which contain available in delete menu, all contain available in paste option. See paste all. See this option is available. Edit, paste special. When you select paste special, you want to select paste all or what you want to. Suppose you remove it and you want to paste only text. You remove the text and number. Date and time formula. See what will be the phrase. Paste. Paste special is a special option. Autofill tool. To automatically fill data into the cell, the autofill tool is used. Perform following steps. Enter the number into the first cell, enter the next number into the next cell. See, what is mean by autofill? Generally, suppose I want to enter 10, 20. See what they are giving. Select and drag the mouse option. See, I will select it. When plus symbol will come, I just drag it. Are you getting this? This is called autofill. So we will stop here. Thank you very much.